What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to fix a Mueller espresso machine if it stopped pumping water. These are Nespresso compatible machines, and all the videos on YouTube are centered around Nespresso machines. I didn't see one for a Mueller machine, so I thought I'd just make one. The fix is pretty much the same, so you can watch any of these videos and you'll get pretty much the same idea. So what happened? This morning I went to use it, and I didn't check the tank before I used it, and it ran out of water. Not hard to do on a Mueller machine because they don't have a water sensor, and the machine will absolutely let you run the tank right out of water, and you will have no idea until you go to make the next latte or cappuccino or whatever, and it doesn't pump anymore. Why did this happen? Technically, it happens because the pump is airbound. That means it's a water pump and it needs water in it to work. And if you get air in it, then it doesn't pump water anymore. So what do? The fix is pretty much the same. Like I said on other videos, you got some people saying cling wrap and then put a straw through it. Some people say, I don't know, fill the tank up and then slam the lid down a few times. I don't see how that puts pressure on the water thing, but either way, you got to create a pressure vessel out of your water tank. I did it this way and it worked first try. Clearly you can see, put a plastic bag around it, as many rubber bands as I could fit. These are some pretty chunky rubber bands that I had from Staples, I think. And I put a tiny hole in the bag and then forced a straw through it. Yeah, it's a Dunkin' Donuts straw. You just gotta put pressure on the tank to get water back into the lines and back into the pump. My system is now working again, even though I just did the fix a minute ago. I'm not gonna let it run out of air, or I'm not gonna let air get in the pump again just to show you that it didn't work before. Trust me, it didn't work about 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna do it for you. It doesn't hurt to do it again to put more pressure on the pump. It's like a 20 bar pump, so there's nothing that I can do with the power of my lungs that's going to hurt it. I just want you to see what it looks like, just so you know what to expect. Oh, some quick tips before I get started. Don't put a capsule in it. Just close it. Close the arm with it empty. You're going to do, with the machine on, you're going to do a long pour, or a lungo pour, whatever they call it. And put a towel underneath, because I mean, I just did it, so there's not as much water in my tank, but you want to put a good amount of water in the tank, and it's probably going to seep out a little bit around the rubber bands, so put a towel underneath. I'm going to set this up as best I can. Okay, like I said, long pour. You're probably going to get a little dizzy doing this, but it's worth it. As long as your bag is inflating and firm, when you blow into it, then it's working. So, just to show you real quick, it is working again. Alright? So, good luck with your fix. Leave some comments. Thanks.